Hello guys, Twinfin here. I'm 10 years old and I have a garden which I grow. And if you wondered how to dig up red skin potatoes, today you're gonna find out. So stay tuned to know how to dig up red skin potatoes. First you'll need a tiny shovel, a pail, and garden gloves. Now, you need to find your potato bush that has yellow typish leaves that are drying up, and you pull it out, and then you dig around where you pulled it, where the potato bush was, and then you try not to cut the potatoes when you're digging. So now we pull everything out, every potato bush that's drying up. And there might be some potatoes with the bush, which you'll get out and put in your pail. And then this one with two. And you can also dig around them to try to find more. There's another. Very tiny one. Baby one right there. I don't think this one grew too much, but there's another one. And you just do this to find every possible potatoes that you have. So you usually get around 2, 3, or 4 potatoes per bush. And total we got today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 potatoes today. So now, if you like the video and enjoyed it, you subscribe and like the video for more content. Bye!